All right, just to let you guys know, the iWALK wallet is really fancy and smashy. Look at this. So it's a little flexible, but it's a little hard. So it's on purpose like that. So you could use it as actually a phone stand. You don't have to just use it as a wallet. Now it does have the mag charge area for your phone, and plenty of space for your ID, your credit cards and other items, and you can even push them out from here underneath of it. And of course, you want to keep your primary card here. You just push it up like that, and it pops out. Very simple. This wallet, it's all leather, and it's flexible, like I said. And the reason it is, let me show you. So you have your phone, or your new iPhone, or your Droid. It's compatible with it. And then what you want to do is you want to see, look at this side profile right there. So you want to watch your phone. So if you're watching your phone movies or anything, or you want to listen to phone conversations without you holding phone, it acts like a little kickstand too. At the same time, you just take this for you one way. You don't have to carry any other things, your wallet, and then your phone together all at once. And it's pretty safe. So we're going to open it up so you guys can see, and I'm going to pick it up. That's how strong the actual magnet is. So it's not bad. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.